Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you some stuff related to drone domain that I have collected with my pocket money, or you can say with my salary. I have been collecting this from like really long time, and this whole components that you are seeing right here, this all comes like around 21,000 or 20,000. So like you can understand, a middle family boy doing his personal savings, and then in basically investing all his money on these things. So you could understand what I'm saying. And I took like around 8 months to collect all this. So now I'm going to show you what these things are. Sorry for the background noise, like it's night time here and you can like hear all the noises basically. But anyways, I will be showing you all the components that is here related to the drone stuff, and I will be teaching you how to work with all these stuff. Okay, but please make sure you subscribe the channel. It is going to be worth watching this, I promise. So first of all, the most expensive thing in this all components is this Pixhawk flight controller. I got it like from I ordered it from online website called RoboCraze, and there is one more website called robo.in, so you can always refer them for buying drone stuff. See, now I will be like teaching you some basic things, what this Pixhawk flight controller is, what about the basics and everything. But as I said, please subscribe the channel. Now I will be teaching you everything like about this Pixhawk flight controller, and believe me, I'm going to make up one dedicated video just to teach you what this flight controller is, how to work with this, how to install this, how to flash this, everything. I will like take you from the level 1 to the max level, I promise. Now here, if you see, we have several channels, and believe me, I'm holding my camera in my one hand and I cannot see the flight controller. I'm just looking through my camera recordings and trying to make you understand. So here we have power, from where basically we provide power to this, and we should have here we have channels. I'm sorry. Here we have channels. I don't know why this camera is going so bad. Anyways, so here we have a port for buzzer. This is for basically data transfer. This is telemetry data. If you want to connect like I think it supports both UART as well as S-bus. So this is for telemetry, this is for switch, this is for serial, this is for GPS, which is very important for navigation and stuff. It is very much needed. This is telemetry 1. So let's say if you want to use multiple telemetry protocols, then you can always use these both. Here you can connect your USB, here you can connect your ADC, then here you can use this port for CAN protocol, communication protocols. This is I don't know, SP1, I think. I need to understand what that thing, I forgot. This is I2C, which is again the best communication protocol, you can say. It transfer our data like at a really good speed. And this is power. This arrow indicates, like, this is the very important thing, this arrow indicates the nose of this Pixhawk flight controller. So when you are mounting this on a drone, and if you are giving it a pitch forward, then what it will do is it will move forward, right? When you're giving it roll right, it will go right. So you must make sure that this movement you understand it like properly. And this is basically the lights to guide you and to make you understand when you flash and when you activate this Pixhawk flight controller. It costs like around 14,000. its price is 14,000 in the market, but original one. But if you order all these stuff, you can expect it will go like around 20,000, 21,000, or sometimes 25,000. So this is basically the components for GPS stand. In this you have one rod. I can open it and I can show you everything, but the thing is, I don't want to make this video very big, so try to understand what this thing is. This is basically for GPS stand. when I will be making the whole drone video, I will be showing you everything. Like right now I'm still low on budget. I'm trying to I still need like 10,000 to get my complete drone products, so I'm trying to save some money with my salary. So hopefully in my next 2-3 video I will make the complete drone video. Now this is basically the GPS. Without this, do not even think to use your drone if you are like not very good pilot like me. Anyway, oh fuck. Anyways, this is the telemetry. This is telemetry. I can show you and I can give you details about this, but this holding this phone and then opening this with only one hand is a trouble for me. So this is called the this is called the radio telemetry devices. Now I will teach you like in detail what this thing is. You get a device like this to connect this with your what you say, a GCS, ground control station. You can use this to connect your radio telemetry, and then you have few more things in this. This is basically the module, so you can use these to work with these antennas. And how this antenna works is basically it gets installed on your drone, and you can install on your drone, and what it does is it radiates the signal from this side, from this, not from the tip but from like vertical, you can say. So it radiates the vertical radio frequency in the form of, you can say, V. So if this is the radio signal, it have this kind of V kind of radio frequency it emits, so which helps drone to communicate and to move and to navigate. So this is why we use radio telemetry. It is very much needed. If you are making any drone for some like functional robots or something like that, then you must need to have something like this, or you can go for other communication protocol if you can afford. So this is what we have in this video. In the next video I will be showing you everything. Like I can give you more details about this Pixhawk flight controller alone, but the problem is this video is getting long and I don't know if people will like it or not. I'm not a very professional video creator, and I'm holding my phone in one hand and trying to make this video, so it's trouble for me. Anyways, so this is the GPS module. I will teach you how to, I will teach you how to integrate all this in the in drone and how to use it all. And also in my next video I will show you how to actually mount this GPS and how to connect your Pixhawk flight controller to the ArduPilot software. So what we will do is we will download the ArduPilot, and I will teach you how to download in the laptop, and then what we will do is we will download the quadcopter firmware, and then we will flash this flight controller, and then we'll do all the crazy projects with our drone, and maybe we can make RC car and so many other cool things. But please make sure you subscribe the channel. Right now I'm low on budget, so that's why I'm just saving every single month little by little so that I can buy my controller, like flight controller. Not flight controller, transmitter. I'm trying so hard to get my transmitter. Once I get the transmitter, which cost around 6,000 including the batteries, and I'm just going with the very bare minimum model of our transmitter, so just to have a budget friendly transmitter. So if you guys can support me, like if this video goes good and if I can have a good success on YouTube, then maybe I can do so many great things. Believe me, I love this Arduino. I was planning to buy Raspberry Pi, but believe me, I love all that thing, but every time it just comes, the problem that comes is money restrictions. So I'm just trying to work on that. So please subscribe the channel, and I'll see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.